Good morning students. Today we are going to start with chapter number 17, my upbringing. Now, can you tell what do you see in these pictures? What are the kids in the pictures learning from the grown-ups? So, these are the grown-ups. Mother, father, grandmother, and now we are going to see that what we are going to learn from these pictures. In this picture you can see that mother is helping her son to brush the teeth. Here you can see that father is teaching his son how to ride the bicycle. Here grandmother is telling some stories to the some childrens. Here you can see that mother is cooking food and her daughter is watching her. Here you can see a man is giving bath to the buffalo and his son is helping him. Now, we learn many different things while we are growing up. Now, while we are growing up, we learn many different things. They lead to the development of certain habits. Likes and dislikes means they help us for the development of certain habits, means good habits, bad habits, likes and dislikes. They shape our views and thoughts, means it helps us to shape our views and thought, means our thinking. This is what is known as upbringing. This is known as upbringing, means the development of certain habits, likes and dislikes. What is our thinking process? This is totally known as upbringing. You must have seen photographs of your childhood. Now you can see your photographs of your childhood. You began to crawl, means slowly you began to crawl. You learned how to walk and how to talk. And apart from this, you learned many more things. How to brush your teeth, how to bath, how to eat without spilling, how to behave with people older than you. Means while growing up you learn all these things. How to brush the teeth, how to take a bath, how to eat, how to behave with other people. You learn many more things beside these basic ones. How to fill your school bag, how to ride a bicycle, how to play a cell phone game, when to feed the cattle, how to buy groceries, how to behave with strangers. The list can go on and on. So these are the small things we get to know while we are growing up. You must have learned many of these things from your parents and relatives. So all these things we learn from our parents and relatives. Holding our hands, our parents teach us to walk. Who teaches us to walk? Our parents. They hold our hand and they teach us to walk. They teach us how to behave and how to talk to others. They also teach us that how to behave and how to talk to others. When we make mistakes, they show us how to correct them. They want us to become good people. Everyone's parents want their child to be a very good person. So they teach us how to behave with others, and they also correct us when we are going wrong. So they want us to become good people. Now next we will learn in the next video. Thank you.